सृष्टि उधर, जब भी मैं मुनता हूँ लोचन छा जाता है चारों ओर मरण। यदि मुझे बांधना चाहे मन तो पहले बांध अनंत गगन, सुने को साध न सकता है वो मुझे बांध क्या सकता है। किसी के पिता ने क्या खूब कहा है, किसी ने सोना किसी ने चांदी, किसी ने सारी दौलत ही दे दी। किसी ने सोना किसी ने चांदी, किसी ने सारी दौलत ही दे दी, उसका अपना घर बसाने के लिए अपने घर की रौनक ही दे दी। Going to talk about dowry system. The dowry system is in India is running for a long time. In the ancient times, the dowry system is given in the name of money and the property which is given from the bride side to the groom side to take the proper care of the groom in the family of the groom. And that time, on that ancient time, people only think about their bride, means the bride family think about their daughter, that the money or the property is totally works under the groom or the bride family, and the groom take the proper care of the bride. So in the ancient time, the dowry system is not as enacted as the modern time. In the modern time, it is felt as a business for some caste. It is a burden for that family who is not financially strong, because on that the time of marriage, means in the time of marriage, the groom family demands a much property, a wealth, a money, and the precious gifts from the bride family at the time of the marriage, or the before of the marriage or after the marriage. They are always demanding the precious gifts, the precious things in the terms of the dowry. It is enacted in the dowry system. Now, in the term of the modern system, Constitution of India, means the laws of India, and the Supreme Court and the High Court and the lower court and all the courts of the India are made some rules and regulation that should abolish the dowry system, means under the law of 304B, means dowry death, and 498A, means the criminalizes act, that should be taken or given to the dowry in the term of the marriage, or if the bride feel any pressure, then the 498A act is totally implemented on the groom's family. According to the Constitution of India, means all the families are to be free from the dowry system. But India is not run by the Constitution. It is run by the society, because in the terms of society, means what the people of the society would say about on the time of marriage, that should be think about both the families, means the groom families or the bride family both. Because in the terms of the marriage, if we go in the bride family or the groom family for the marriage proposal, the first topic is that dowry, or the richness, the wealth, the property, not the education about the grooms or bride. The property should become in the terms of the marriage, because they think if we got the marriage, we get the marriage proposal in the rich family, our daughter feels like a queen, means he rules on the family, means he has the full support from the family, but he can't understand the truth that richness, the money can't buy happiness. At the time of the marriage, if the bride family is not financially strong, means if they are not financially strong, they take loan in the term of property loan, in the term of jewelry loan, in the term of home loan, in the term of car loan. It means they take the loan in the term for their marriage of their daughter to make them happiness. But I just previously said that money can't buy happiness. So if it is not only for the burden of the mother or father for the bride, it is also for a burden for the bride, because if they feel that the mother or father get the burden of their marriage, of her marriage, so they feel and get tensed, because the daughter is totally connect with her mother mentally, socially, physically and emotionally. Because if mother feel the burden of the marriage, then that time the bride also feel the burden. Because in Hindi we say that जब भी मेरी कश्ती सैलाब में आ जाती है, जब भी मेरी कश्ती सैलाब में आ जाती है, माँ दुआ करती हुई मेरे ख्वाब में आ जाती है. Dowry is a very bad social practice in our society. It acts as a social evil in the society, because in the term of happiness, it can't buy the happiness from the bride side. If she sees that their family members are totally feel tensed, they get tensed about the dowry, so that on that time they can't buy the happiness, or they can't feel the happiness on the time of marriage. Before marriage or after marriage, they just feel that marriage is a supportive role to make the life happy. But on that time, if she feels that the mother and the father get very closely tensed at the time of the marriage, so she can't find herself in the happiness. So I think the government should ban this social or evil practice in the society just called dowry system. At last, I end my words by saying a Hindi Samvad from Mahabharata, a very peaceful holy book, means that it teaches, the Mahabharata book teaches a good lesson how to lead our life, how to live our life. So that is in Hindi that the Samvad in between Krishna and Duryodhana in the terms of the Mahabharata युद्ध कि भूलोक अटल पाताल देख कद और अनागत काल देख, यह देख जगत का आदि सृजन, यह देख महाभारत का रण, मृतकों से पटी हुई भू है पहचान कहाँ उसमें तू है, मुट्ठी में तीनों काल देख पद के नीचे पाताल देख, अंबर में कुंतल जाल देख मेरा स्वरूप विस्तार देख, सब जन्म मुझी से पाते हैं फिर लौट मुझे में आते हैं, जब वह से करती ज्वाल सघन सांसों से पाता जन्म पवन, पर जाती मेरी दृष्टि जिधर हंसने